First of all, I appreciate him coming. I think he cares and he made some really good points. As an FQHC, we see every day what happens when people fall through the coverage gap. And about 5,000 of our patients could benefit from this. And these are patients who, like Gladys, is in very dire straits. So it's critical that we have that coverage so they can get not only the primary care, which we offer, but specialty care, hospital care, medicines, and right now they can't get it. Well, first of all, healthcare cannot be politicized. Healthcare cannot be one party or the other. It has to be bipartisan. We're talking about people's quality of life and their health. So I would say that they need to take into effect that their faces to the issue, not just money, not just financial. I agree, yes, we've got to balance the budget, we've got to have the money there, but it's there, we're paying for it. So, we've got the solution, and people have to be strong enough to move forward and make it happen. And I think Governor McAuliffe is one of those that will do that.
Okay.
First of all, this was another one of the many political gimmicks that House Republicans tried. They said, let's do another audit. I think we had 63 audits, Mr. Secretary. Every day they came up with something new. Let's keep the general session going. They pulled one trick. They were all delaying tactics. This money and what we spend on health care is 20% of our budget. So how could you possibly move it out of the budget? And the reforms that the Secretary and his team have done have resulted in about $260 million in savings, $263 million in savings. Both the Senate and the House have used those health care reform savings and put them in their budget that they've proposed this year. So it's good for them to use the reform budget money, but they want to take it out of the budget negotiations. It doesn't make any common sense. It is part of our budget. It's critical to our budget. And I also, as I said earlier, I offered to take it out early on. If you cannot, to the General Assembly, if you cannot get this done and you cannot make a decision, give it to the governor to make the decision. I'll make the decision.
Unexpected financial problems have happened to all of us. Reestablish your credit today. Bring in your tax refund check, and Nick Bello, the credit master at Danville Toyota, will get you on the right track. He has helped thousands of people just like you to reestablish their credit, from slow pay, layoff, divorce, bankruptcy, and even repossession. Use your tax refund, and Nick Bello will help you drive home a new or pre-owned car, truck, or SUV of your choice. Call this number or go to DanvilleToyota.com and click Second Chance Credit for a clean start.